Scientists believe that unlike most other species of barnacle, turtle barnacles can dissolve the cement-like secretions they use to attach blank to a sea turtle shell, enabling the barnacle to move short distances across a shell surface. So which one fits in our blank? So find out to find out what goes into the blank, we need to know how the subject here in this dependent clause. Why dependent clause? Because they use what? Cement-like secretions. Okay, so this is like how should I say it? It's a relative clause, except the relative clause, the relative pronoun is not shown here. They use cement-like secretion to attach blank to a sea turtle shell. Sea turtle shell is not barnacle, but they are attaching. We need a pronoun, but you can see that they are attaching themselves. It's a reflexive pronoun. Because otherwise, you will have an ambiguous pronouns. If you say it, what is it referring to? That's an ambiguous pronoun. And in case you don't know what ambiguous means, it means it's unclear. And if it's a themselves, yes, that's correct. They go with a themselves. It's the barnacles attach themselves to a sea turtle shell. So that makes perfect sense, and it match with the case here. They with a themselves. That's a correct reflexive pronoun. Because subject itself is receiving that action or doing the action to attach themselves to a sea turtle shell. If you say them, that's not themselves. That's not the barnacles that are attaching to the sea turtle shell. It's gonna be another ambiguous pronoun. What's that? Them. Itself is what's it here. Even though it's a reflexive pronoun, the it is also ambiguous pronoun. What's that it? The correct answer is B. Oh, and I forgot to close the dependent clause. Actually, that won't be the dependent clause. The dependent clause in here, and then what we have next is the participial phrase. And if it's a phrase, I usually note that with the parentheses. Just a good practice.